Everyone, welcome back. So in this ChatGPT tutorial, I'm going to discuss another very important prompting technique, which is perspective prompting. Now, what exactly is perspective prompting? Imagine that you are asking some question or you are asking generative AI to write something for you, but you want to get answer for a particular role or for a specific set of people that you want to explain. For example, I am into software testing and agile project management. I want answers from that perspective. If a developer is looking for answers for software testing or agile project manager, they might be looking for answers from the developer's perspective. So this is briefly what perspective prompting is all about. When you guide the AI, when you make the large language model think a little deeper from the end user's perspective, who is looking for the answer and specifically asking to provide answers from that perspective. That is what perspective prompting is all about. So there are different types of perspective prompting. So single perspective and multi-perspective. So for example, if I go ahead and show you, so perspective prompting, singular perspective and multiple perspective. So when we say multiple perspective, you are asking to write something from viewpoint of multiple people or multiple perspective, different perspectives. In the singular perspective, you say, for example, I'll say explain software testing from the perspective of test lead, explain software testing from the perspective of business analyst. If we talk about multiple perspective, then explain software testing from multiple diverse perspective, include the names and point of view of different perspectives such as business analyst, developers, project manager, agile project manager, and you provide those viewpoints here, the perspectives here. Okay, so this is how you are going to use the perspective prompting technique to make sure that you get better answers from the persons or the role or the perspective. Okay, so let's quickly go ahead and understand a little bit more about the perspective prompting. So let me copy these and I'll give you, or I'll ask the question. Okay, now most of the time you guys just say what is software or what is agile project management. Okay, so if I just want to understand about agile project management, I just ask this question, what is agile project management, and I'll get very generic answer in this particular case because I haven't asked about any specific perspective in this case. So you'll see this is general answer. Now let's change the same question and see what differences will be there, right? If I say what is agile project management, now I'll say explain. I can also say explain agile project management from the perspective of person, or I can say what is agile project management and then ask explain from the perspective of developer. Okay, so a developer wants to understand what is agile project management. So from the developer's perspective, what exactly agile project management is all about, what areas that developers should be aware of for the agile project management. Now you'll see what agile project management means to developers. So you'll see the answer is completely tweaked and relevant for the tester, for the developer, what developer has to do or what relevance agile project management has for the developer. So you'll see that working in iterations, you don't get a giant spec document that takes months to implement. Instead, you work on the small user stories in 1 to 2 week cycle. Then you have the clear priorities, less guesswork, frequent feedback loop, collaboration over isolation, autonomy, responsibility, quality building, and real developer example. So let's say you are building shopping cart feature. Now as an agile PM, you will in agile project management, you will go ahead and implement in different sprints from the developer's perspective. Okay, now if I go ahead and change the same thing for the tester. So if I'll say what is agile project management from the tester's perspective of test engineer. Okay, explain from the perspective of test engineer. Now you'll see, imagine you are quality guardian of fast moving team. What agile project management means for test engineers. Accordingly, the answer has been updated. So this is the power of perspective prompting. Now this is single perspective. Now if say for example you want to understand details from the multi-perspective or multiple perspective for a topic, so I'll say write or explain. So I'll say explain agile project management from multiple diverse perspective, include the names and points of view of different perspectives such as, I'll say, testers, developers and business analysts. Okay, so from 3 different perspectives I want to understand agile project management. Now let's see what the ChatGPT provides. So you'll see developers perspective. Here's a multi-perspective breakdown. So developers perspective, then you have the testers and QA engineers perspective, and then the business analyst perspective. User story writing, close collaboration, flexibility. Accordingly, based on the perspectives that you defined, you will get answers accordingly for the same topic. So this is very, very powerful technique to get the relevant answers from singular perspective or multiple perspective as per your role, responsibilities and understanding and detailing out the topic that fits best as per your needs. Now I'll take some more examples. To do multi-perspective or multiple perspective, you can also ask questions simply and just mention from the viewpoints of these people. Say for example, I can simply say either you can follow these prompts that I have just shown here, or you say explain software testing from the viewpoints of, and then you just make a note of all the people from the viewpoint of fresh graduate, 5 years experienced candidate into software testing, or third, I want to understand from the test architect point of view. So same question, software testing from the viewpoint of fresh graduate, 5-year experienced candidate into software testing, or the test architect. Okay, so let's see. So love this angle. Software testing looks very different depending on your experience level and role. Fresh graduate perspective, you got it. You got from the 5-year experience perspective. Then you got from the test architect's perspective. Vision of testing, framework design, tool evaluation, shift left, shift right, cross team enabler. So accordingly, you get proper answer. The better you ask to large language models, the better answers you will get and more relevant answers you will get. So that is where the perspective prompting becomes really, really helpful, and the advantages of these prompting we have already seen with the example. So that's all for this video. In the next one, I'll come up with another great example of ChatGPT prompting. Thank you. See you in the next one.